What a fabulous day here in Owen Sound, Ontario, Grey County. Hey guys, Jason Rusnak here at the Real Grey Bruce with eXp Realty Brokerage. It is such a beauty today. Decided to grab my old 80s skateboard and go for a rip just around the wall here, the harbor in Owen Sound, just to give you guys some visuals if you're thinking about moving to the area, some ideas of what you can be doing on a nice day like today. I'm hopefully going to get my drone in the air and catch some nice visuals for you guys. If it's too windy, that won't happen, but I'll definitely be back. Just remember that it is the early spring. We're just mid-April here. The grass is still kind of brown. It just looks a little bit dirtier, but trust me, in the summertime, it is absolutely beautiful once we get into late spring. All right, so let's get out there. Let's take a rip and take in some of these sights. We got the Chi-Cheemaun in the back. I'm just going to pan around here to show you our little tourist center down by the water, which is absolutely beautiful. With the little trains in the background. Listen to those seagulls. No sound effects here. And a nice little bench for sitting out and just taking a look at the harbor and the boats coming in and out. Again, just remember here guys that it is early spring and all of this stuff's going to green up really nice. Beautiful. All of these flower boxes here in the summer will be loaded with flowers. A little bumpy on the feet. Just a beautiful view of the river heading into Georgian Bay from Owen Sound. We got the Chi-Cheemaun, which docks here for the winter, the grain elevators in the background. Just a beautiful walkway. Alright guys, just a quick stop off the trail. I just wanted to show you Mudtown Brewery here, Mudtown Station. This is a part of Owen Sound they call Mudtown, but this is a microbrewery. It used to be an old train station, and they've converted it. This is the back side of it. They have a huge patio there that faces the water. Absolutely beautiful view just of the harbor and the water. And if you're making your way around the trail, definitely stop in and grab yourself a drink. Part 2. Hey guys, I ran out of batteries and storage on my phone, so I'm back today just to finish off this trail. Let's get at it. Okay, so this is where we have to get off and kind of walk. I'm going to walk along the wall there just to show you guys, but do it at your own risk. Just a little out of breath, but I wanted to stop and highlight this building here to the right, which is the Harry Lumley Bayshore Community Center. This is where our local OHL team plays, the Owen Sound Attack. So if you're into hockey, fabulous. If you're not, it's still great to get out with the family and just check out their games. The quality is so good. But anyways, thought I would stop and point that out. Just another feature we have here in Owen Sound. Alright guys, thought I would just take a little stop here just at our boat launch just to highlight this area. I know many of you are probably coming here for the fishing. As you know, we have a huge salmon spectacular that runs in the fall. They have a big barbecue under tents and everything. It's a really good time. Guys, wasn't that fun? Thanks for joining me on my little skateboard cruise around Owen Sound Harbour there. As you can see, such a beautiful area, so much going on here. The path is great if you want to skateboard, obviously ride your bike, get the stroller out, just go for a casual walk. It's such a beautiful area to take in, and as I mentioned before, it is spring here, so a lot of this brown that you're seeing is going to green up, and it's just going to look that much better once we get the flowers and stuff out. Anyways, if you're thinking about buying, if you're thinking about selling, if you're wanting to invest in the Owen Sound area, don't hesitate to reach out. Jason here at the Real Grey Brews. Thanks again. Cheers.